Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. The viewers, in front of me Baseus Gan 3 Pro on 65Hz, and now I can show you that this charger is good alternative for your Realme device. So Realme, Oppo, Oneplus and Vivo has the same charging protocol. So it has different names, VOOC, Super VOOC, Warp Charge, Super Dart chargers, and all of them are BBK Electronics super charging technology. So this is the same technology because one corporation has these brands, but it has different names and on different devices. Oppo has VOOC, Vivo has VOOC 2, OnePlus has Warp Charge, Realme has Super Dart. But all of them is the same technology, and if you will use Realme charger for OnePlus device, it will detect it like Warp Charge. Okay, so cool. Let's check our basics. So here I have the cable that supports the VOOC and any BBK charging technology. So let's connect it to the charger and let's check. Connect it to our tool. Ready, and let's check it. Wait a while. And cool, as you can see, VOOC, Dash, Warp and Super VOOC doesn't support this charger, or this charger doesn't support these protocols. I've tried to check it with original Realme, with original Oppo cables, and unfortunately this charger is not support VOOC or supercharging any other with this charger too. But of course, if we will use original Oppo charge, it will support VOOC, Dash, Dart and Warp certificates. So that's it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful for you. Thanks for watching and bye. See you.